Hey guys, today we're making butternut squash nuggets with pan-fried spinach. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is peel the skin off your average sized butternut squash. It's not a tasty thing to eat the skin. You don't want to eat the skin. So peel it all off before you cut into it. Okay, now we're gonna cut off the ends, the edges, the stumps. I could have done a better job cutting that. Oh, I was so surprised. I had never seen this look. I opened up my butternut squash and the seeds had sprouted. I've never seen that before. That's interesting. I've never seen open up like a squash or a pumpkin and seen sprouts on the seeds. What does that mean? Hopefully it doesn't mean anything bad. Ooh. Okay, so you're gonna scoop out the seeds and sprouts if they're there. And then you're gonna chop them up into bite-sized pieces. Now we're gonna make the flax egg. So I'm gonna make 2 flax eggs. So that's 2 tablespoons of flax meal, ground flaxseed, and 6 tablespoons of water. And mix that up and just set it aside for 10 minutes or so. I salted the butternut squash a little bit to take out moisture, and then add them into the bowl and mix it around. Try to get as much on there as possible before adding in about 3/4 cup of almond flour. I also added half a tablespoon of olive oil just to help everything stick together. You can add whatever seasoning you like. I added some pepper, some black garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast because I really love that stuff. Mix that all together, and then you're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you're gonna spread these nuggets out on your sheet pan. Now bake it for 30 minutes. In the meantime, you're gonna make your sauteed spinach. So what I did was I took olive oil and I browned some green onions and garlic, and then added in a bushel of spinach and just cooked it. It only takes a few minutes, less than 5 minutes, I would say. Okay, now make your bowl. I also added fresh tomato and avocado to my protein bowl. The full recipe will be in the description of this video, as well as a link to my free plant-based recipe book. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.